This video will show you how to use the sales receipt feature in QuickBooks Online. So you're going to go up to the New button once you're logged in, select Sales Receipt. And basically what a sales receipt is, it's when you sell to a customer and you're getting paid the same day. You don't need to invoice and record a payment later. You need to just record the sale immediately and record the receipt of funds. So let's select a customer. We can select Casey Moss Tax and Accounting LLC. Now, payment method, you can record how the customer paid you. So let's say, for instance, it's a check. You can put the check number in here. Deposit to. The default here for a lot of companies will be undeposited funds. And the reason you use that is when you're receiving, let's say, a check from a customer that you're putting in a drawer and you're going to, drop a deposit either later that day or maybe in a future day. So it's in undeposited funds. You can also put like an account called checks in drawer or something like that. It's just checks that you haven't taken to the bank yet. So I recommend using this, and it'll be a lot easier to match your transactions up with your bank account later. So let's say we're going to use undeposited funds, products or services. Let's just say it's concrete for $250. QuickBooks will calculate the sales tax if you have that set up. And then you can hit Save and Send if you want to send the actual sales receipt to the customer for their records, or you can just hit Save and Close. So we'll hit Save and Send. It's going to show you a preview of the PDF that'll be attached to the email, and then it'll have the subject line and the body here that you can override or adjust if you need to. So we'll hit Send and Close. Now, when it's time to, if we recorded it into undeposited funds, we're going to later have to record the actual deposit into the bank. So what we'll do is we'll hit New, Bank Deposit. So you can see we have that check, and then we also have a couple more payments. So let's just say we're going to record all of these, $2,332.52. We're going to hit Save and Close. And that way, when the transaction actually comes through to the bank account, it'll match the amounts that you have recorded in QuickBooks Online. If you're recording credit card receipts, you can probably just record it to the bank account on its own, and then it'll come in a day later or 2 days later, depending on your credit card processing company. So that's the basics on how to record a sales receipt. If you have any more specific questions, feel free to contact me, Casey Moss Tax and Accounting LLC in Illinois. You can find me at CaseyMossTax.com.